Hello and welcome my ambitious friends. In today's problem sums video tutorial, we discuss a question that involves percentage and fractions as well. Now an easy way to approach percentage questions, right, is to convert it into a fraction. Why is that so? Because when we change to fractions, we can clearly see the number of units for each of the different items. Okay, so we're going to use this example to illustrate that shortly. Okay, let's discuss. In a concert hall, there were 3/5 as many men as women. Okay, so 3/5 as many men as women means 3 belongs to men, 5 belongs to women. Alright, so men will be 3 units, women will be 5 units. Alright, that's how you decide, alright, from the fraction which belongs to men, which belongs to women. Okay, an easy way to do this is that since we saw 3 first and the man first, we assign 3 to men, 5 is later, right, which is at the denominator, 5 belongs to women. Alright, there were 56 more children than women. That is the next sentence. The number of women was 25% of the total number of people in the concert hall. How many people were there in the concert hall? Now, again, I say this, that 25%, try your best to change it into a fraction. So when you do that, you get 1/4. So you can also say that the number of women was 1/4 of the total number of people. So which means women will take on one part. That's how you read this fraction, right? Women will take on one part, and this 4 parts belongs to the total number of people. Remember, how do we identify the number of units? Very simple. 1 comes first, so women comes first, so that women gets 1, total is 4. Alright, so this is for women, and this is for total. Total means you have men, you have women, you have children as well. Okay, these 3 items. Now, you may be wondering, right? Women, shouldn't it be 5 units? How come now it's 1? Right, this is a technique for this question. When we realize that it is different, 5 and 1, have a look at my laser here. 5 and 1, our job is to make it the same. We can very quickly do that by multiplying by 5, multiplying by 5. So when that happens, 5/20. Now this part here is for the women. This part here is for the total. Okay, so with this, right, we can come out with units for all of the items involved. For men is 3, women is 5, total is 20, and then we can also find the children. Right, you can even put it in ratio form or even in a table with units. That works as well. Okay, so man is to women, is to children, is to total. So total is 20, women is 5, man is 3, right? And the balance will be for children. So children will be 20 minus 3 minus 5, which is 12 units. Okay, so 12 is for children. Now, the number of women was 1/4 total number. Okay, that's fine. We have already settled that. This part here, there were 56 more children than women. Children, women. Okay, 12 minus 5. This is 7 units. This difference will be 56. 1 unit we can find. 56 divided by 7, that is 8. And then total will be here. Take a look at my laser. 20 units. 20 times 8. Final answer, 160. Okay, so the key thing, easy way to deal with this, change that 25% to 1/4. Thank you very much.